we guide you through how to add an overlay in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is to open your CapCut on your computer and start a new project, then import your main video by clicking import and dragging it into the timeline on track 1. After that, go to the media panel again and import the image or video you want to use as an overlay. Then drag the overlay file above your main video on a high track so it appears on the top. Once it's placed, click the overlay clip and use the preview window to resize it, reposition it, and rotate it depending on your style. If you want more cinematic look, go to the right panel and adjust the opacity so the background slightly shows through, and you can also use blend modes to create differential visual effects like a screen or multiply. And if you overly needs movements, use keyframes by setting a starting position, then moving the playhead and adjusting the overlay to animate it smoothly. Once everything looks clean and properly aligned, review your video to check timings and visuals, and finally click export and choose your resolution and render your project so your overlay video is ready to upload.